These are the 3 points you need to consider before starting a new YouTube channel, which will help you in 3 different things. Number 1, make your channel secure from hackers. Number 2, make it look more professional. And number 3, being consistent. Now, a fair warning, this is not a detailed or full checklist, but these are the 3 most important points that at least you need to consider before starting a new YouTube channel. Point number 1, make your channel secure from hackers. It is really important to make your channel secure before everything else. And this is from one of my previous experience. My first YouTube channel was at approximately 1 lakh subscriber and it was growing rapidly. And then this happened. We would like to inform you that due to repeated or severe violation of our community guidelines, your YouTube channel Marvel Gujarati has been suspended. But in reality, we did not do anything which we didn't do in last 3 years. Then after a quick research, I got to know that my channel was hacked. And the hacker uploaded some really bad content on my YouTube channel. On this video, I cannot tell you what kind of bad content he uploaded actually. But if you are really interested to know, follow me on Instagram and DM me, I will tell you. After a 6 month of struggle, continuous discussion and follow up with YouTube team, somewhere in between 2020, we got our channel back. And on the same day, I and my team had a quick meeting and came up with a trick so that no one could ever hack our channel again. I'm going to explain what we did to our channel and what you can do to your existing channel to make your channel more secure. Let's think in reverse direction. What does a hacker need to hack your channel? Yes, you guessed it right. Your account ID. So the trick is simple. Do not create your YouTube channel on the same email ID which you are going to share with your audience. Instead, create a separate and a secret email ID. For example, my secret email ID is I cannot tell you, it's secret. Now, even if you have already created your YouTube channel on your existing email ID, you can transfer it to different email ID. If you are interested in knowing how to do that, I will make a separate video on it. Now, point number 2, make your channel look more professional. You must consider having a same brand name on each social media platform and everywhere else, because consistent branding is essential part of professionalism. And there is an additional benefit of having a same brand name on different social media. Let's assume you have a same brand name on Instagram and YouTube, then your loyal friend will come searching your name from one social media to another. And these additional views that you get from the search feature will even push further your channel's overall performance. So before deciding on your channel name, research properly and make sure that your brand name is not already taken by anyone else on all the social media which you are going to require different URLs. And if in your case you are going to require a domain, check for the domain availability. Point number 3, consistency. Now I have a lot to talk about consistency. First, do not start your YouTube channel unless and until you have the plan ready in your mind for your next 20 videos in advance. Because no matter how much effort you put in making a quality video, if you are not consistent, everything is waste. 2. Consistency has nothing to do with your other skills like content creation, SEO and other technical skills. Consistency comes from habit, and habit formation is all about psychology. For mastering habit generation, I would highly recommend one of my favorite books, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Now this one is from Atomic Habits. When a loser makes a plan and a winner makes a plan, there is a difference. When a loser fails after 7 or 10 days, the first thing he thinks is, I'm not able to be regular, this plan doesn't work. When on other hand, winner knows that there is no such thing as a perfect consistency. Every person in the world fails to be consistent at some point in their life. But important thing is getting back on the track after failing. And 3, foundation of consistency is well-structured planning. And for your conveniency and consistency, I have created world's smartest, easiest and automatic YouTube video planner, which is 100% free to use. To know how to use and get that planner, check out this video. And if you found this video interesting, like, comment, subscribe.